Hello everyone. I hope you all are good and you all are solving questions. Time and again I emphasize more on you people solving question because actually ये important होता है practice करना, ठीक है? So let's practice one more question this time with me. And there is a platform that is kept on a rough horizontal surface. This surface is rough. At one end A of the platform there is a man standing on it. You can see. Initially the person is standing. So platform is in rest. Person is in rest. If I consider man plus platform as a system, then this system's center of mass velocity initially is zero, right? It is zero. Done it? And this system, man plus platform, is kept on a surface which is not smooth, which is rough. Now the man runs towards the end B and the platform is found to be moving. In which direction will the platform be moving after the man abruptly comes to rest on the platform at B? So at B, चलकर आया यहाँ तक दौड़कर and here at B, the person is abruptly coming to rest. अचानक से रेस्ट में आता है तो पूछ रहा है कि प्लेटफॉर्म किस डायरेक्शन में चल रहा होगा. Now, if you really want to solve it in some seconds, you can easily do it. आपको ये समझ में आ रहा है कि मैंने सिस्टम क्या लिया, मैन प्लस प्लेटफॉर्म. आपको पता है velocity of center of mass or momentum of center of mass will remain conserved if no external force is acting. And if external force is acting, then in the direction of external force, momentum of system will change. So यहाँ पे अगर आप man plus प्लेटफॉर्म को सिस्टम लेते हो, देन है एंड इफ मैन स्टार्ट्स रनिंग ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म तो मैन क्या करेगा, प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर एक फोर्स देगा इस डायरेक्शन में एंड इन रिटर्न प्लेटफॉर्म विल अप्लाई अ फोर्स ऑन पर्सन लेग in this direction, and that is why person is able to run forward. ना ना, this is the simple concept of running, you know, right? So यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है and these two forces are equal and opposite, right? So overall system के अंदर जो force लग रहा है वो balanced ही है. डन है. सो द मोमेंट पर्सन विल स्टार्ट रनिंग, पर्सन पे फोर्स इधर की तरफ लगा, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द पर्सन इज एबल टू रन एंड प्लेटफॉर्म पे फोर्स ऐसा लगा, बट platform single-handedly will not get guided by this force. Let's call it F1. So this is also F1. It will not get guided by F1 itself because ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म है ना, ये तुम्हारे ऐसे सरफेस पे रखा है जहां पे फ्रिक्शन है. तो फ्रिक्शन है तो फ्रिक्शन फोर्स लगेगा, यानी कि रिएक्शन ऑफ दिस पर्सन रनिंग इज कॉजिंग platform is wanting to let platform move towards left, friction will act towards right. Friction because of the surface. So external force आ रहा है and on the system of man plus platform, इस पूरे system पे external force लग रहा है किधर की तरफ, F लग रहा है in the right direction. So overall system momentum gain करेगा in the direction of external force, that is in the direction of friction acting because of the surface, and that is towards right. So answer should be, I mean platform का momentum overall at the moment person will stop at point B. Person भी platform के ऊपर है, so person plus platform will feel like to be moving in this direction. Then there won't be relative motion between man and platform क्योंकि person rest में आ गया है, but overall you will say this system is moving towards right. So this is the explanation you can give. So blindly, I mean आपको दिमाग में सोचना था कि ये तो पूरा एक सिस्टम है, इस सिस्टम पे एक्सटर्नल फोर्स एक ही लग रहा है बॉटम सरफेस का, that will be in the forward sense. So net momentum of system will get created in the forward sense, right? Done है. So this will be the answer. I hope you have understood it. दो आई हैव ब्रोकन इट इनटू पार्ट्स, लाइक मैंने ये भी दिखाया कि पर्सन और प्लेटफॉर्म के बीच में जो फोर्स लग रहा है, अगर सपोज कर लो ये सरफेस फ्रिक्शनलेस होता तो तुम्हें भी पता है यहाँ पे जितने आई मीन दिस पर्सन विल गो फॉरवर्ड, दिस प्लेटफॉर्म विल गो फॉरवर्ड सच दैट सेंटर ऑफ मास ऑफ मैन प्लस प्लेटफॉर्म अगर इनिशियली यहाँ था तो फाइनली भी यही रहेगा बिकॉज देर इज नो एक्सटर्नल फोर्स एक्टिंग. सो ओवरऑल यू से दैट if this man has a velocity v1, if this platform has a velocity v2, both these velocities are with respect to what, with respect to the ground, then you will say velocity of center of mass still has to be zero. So you will say that momentum of man, that is mass of man into V1 will be equal to mass of platform into V2. So this two has to be equal. But here case is different. Ground pe friction hai. So that is acting as external force, and external force will bring out momentum, net momentum to this system. And that will be in the direction of external force, that is towards right. So I hope you have got this question. But even if you're having any conceptual doubt, you can always let me know in the comment section. Thank you.